Hao Huailin Guilin. Thank you for inviting us here today. My name is Ellie and this is Sally. I will be covering the manufacturing systems and Sally will take us through enterprise resource planning. Today, we have brought to you our proposal to help Hawada design a new enterprise resource planning database management system to improve day-to-day performance of the company for today's global market. Firstly, we will discuss a few basic principles behind the design and then explain in more detail the benefits of creating an integrated relationship system.
So here we have what is enterprise resource planning. ERP is a relationship database software enabling the integration of Hawada's departments: finance, HRM, manufacturing, supply chain management, project management and customer relationship management, by enabling them to feed information into a single central system, and firstly allows different departments to pull up any relevant information on other departments instantly and within the same framework, thus making a more streamlined, efficient means of conducting operations. Enterprise systems are capable of communicating with customers, suppliers and other external entities. In addition, creating ERP within the cloud would make it possible for Hawada managers to remotely access real-time information away from the office or in the management meeting with Tongfa, for example. The implementation of ERP would run alongside the old system data and would still be accessible, thus creating a streamlined transition from the original system. So here we have the suppliers relational database. This basic form of database design is based on a DBMS, database management system, which in this case is Microsoft Access, which is a specific type of software that creates, organises, stores and accesses data from a database. And this allows data to be inserted or directly into the datasheet view, or it can be put straight into the design view, or alternatively you can use your current Excel data which can be imported in. Each entity has its own table and the attributes are added. For example, the supplier name is the identity entity and the actual name of the supplier is the attribute. Notice the supplier number, entity and its attributes. This key field identifies each record so it can be retrieved, updated or stored. Using a number eases the confusion if there are two suppliers with the same name. Each table in a relationship database has one field designated as the primary key, and this unique identifier for all the information in any row of the table, and a primary key cannot be duplicated. However, as an example, the supplier table does not contain any information about their discount. A separate entity for discount is used, but also contains the supplier number. Where a primary key is used in another entity, it becomes known as a foreign key. And then we go on to Microsoft Access relationships. A relationship database organises its data by columns, which are the attributes and fields, and the rows, which are sometimes called tuples. Data is built up by using these basic principles and is the beginning of the formulation of relationships. Here we have one to many, many to many, and you can see how everything is all interrelated. Data is built up by using these, and these are the simple functions that form the foundation of enterprise resource planning.
As practitioners, following our investigation into the Hawada plant, we highlighted some manufacturing solutions which would be specifically beneficial towards eradicating problems within Hawada's manufacturing plant. Manufacturing solutions, manufacturing planning and solutions. Production planning to integrate and optimize Hawada's production plans and schedules to eliminate waste and customer deadlines and expectations. Manufacturing execution will deliver real-time updates on production key performance indicators for quick decisions and optimized usage of production assets. Product and project management will plan, manage and monitor product innovations and effectively reduce failure rates and cost overruns on projects. Maintenance quality management would enable closed-loop quality management to prevent deficiencies and to improve the processes to drive quality control. And finally, inventory and warehouse management would automate the procurement process to integrate resource planning to reduce manual labour and to increase efficiency. Hawada's inventory management. Diagnostics have revealed that the current inventory shows inefficiency as the accumulated stock kept by Hawada over the past year is too great comparative to demand. A just-in-time supply method would better suit Hawada's supply chain. We calculated that a sum of 3,000 units, minimum 2,000 units as the optimum figure required based on the demand and production ability over the previous year. Benefits of enterprise resource planning for Hawada would bring improved strategic planning, productivity, operational efficiency, and financial management and corporate governance. It would improve monitoring and control, better visibility of the business. Common best practices and proven tested methodologies can be customized. Real-time information, such as cloud, proper analysis and reporting for long-term planning, and can be backwards integrated with the old legacy system, so seamless integration. Potential return on investment for Hawada was lower inventory costs, savings throughout reduced wastage on reworks, normalisation of procedures, reduced manual intervention, enable employees to use analytics, and improve decision making.
And finally, we have the implementation, which shows the ERP pre-planning implementation and implementation schedule. As you can see from this Gantt chart, this is over a period of about approximately a year, but it can take a lot longer depending on the complexities that you actually require. But from this, from problem identification, solution design, suitability through to implementation and beyond, working alongside Hawada's project management team, we would help create, install and support best practices for Hawada's manufacturing system. So, in summary, we hope you found our proposal informative and have gained some insight into the applications of enterprise resource planning. With the potential benefits and returns on investment, we believe that ERP will transform the efficiency and productivity of how Hawada operates on a day-to-day basis, whilst seamlessly backwards integrating with the current legacy system with little disruption. Thank you for listening to our proposal.